Hello, Acquire Genius people. It's Tom Metzger here in January of 2025, and we're about to release a brand new feature around email templates. Well, not exactly brand new, because there was an email templates feature already that did some stuff, but we required people, if they wanted to customize it, to modify HTML, modify CSS. It's a lot to ask. And so in order to allow mere mortals to make pretty branded emails, we decided to make a massive change, actually replace the entire email template system. And so as you'll see, it's a good deal easier now. Let's take a look. If we take a look, we are here on the dashboard, and of course this is only for admins. And it is here. You would click to email templates. These are the 4 email templates that kind of ship with the system. You can copy these to make many edits, which you might want to do if you want to have a different, say, template or banner or something on different mailing lists. And you can set the default. So for example, if you send the notifications from the system and the bulletins will go out with whatever the default is. And if I edit one of these, they're all in the default state right now, but if I edit it, then as you can see, we've got our form for editing and we've got our live preview. You can change the names if you want to. You can change the description just so you can keep track of all of your different copies. And let's upload a new logo just to show how easy that is. Here's the Cool Choir logo. And then we will, once that uploads, we will update the preview. Yeah, simple as that. And so that's what your emails will now look like with that logo in the corner. And we can save that. There's also another one like very similar, and as you can see, this is customized, right? And if I edit it, you can revert to default by doing that. So let's go back. There's another one that's like that, but has a custom footer. So this will allow you to put information, whatever you would like, on the bottom. And so that'll be handy. Of course, you can also change the logo on that one. We won't save that. Let's go back. There's one with a large banner rather than a small one. So here's what that one looks like. And you can, of course, change the banner. Another thing you can do on this one, under the Advanced tab, I know I said we wouldn't ask people to do CSS and HTML, but we do still allow it. So you can drag multiple files to here, and you can write HTML. That'll go nicely in this footer. And there's some examples of that and details about how to do it on the help site. And so fundamentally, that's what we've got for email templates. Again, you can make as many copies of these as you want. There's another one called Personally Written. And what that does is basically let you send email that doesn't have much of a template on it at all. I believe the statistics show that people, in a marketing context, people are more likely to open those if they don't look like they're done by a company. And so where else can you use this stuff? Well, if you are looking in communication under mailing lists, one of the things that you can do if I'm editing my little test list here is I can choose a template. I can say use the default, or I can use this Acquire Genius 2 one that I modified, or any of the other ones. So as you can see, you could have a different template on each of your mailing lists. And we actually do this. We use this feature on a modified version of Acquire Genius site that we use for our own customer portal, where we send out email to all of you. So hopefully those emails look nice when you get them. And there's a little bit more about email templates and the details of how to use them, but fundamentally that's it. And one thing we're going to add in the near future to the email system, all going well, is right now when you're making an email, you basically have this one HTML, what you see is what you get editor. We're going to replace that with a more structured environment where you can add a section. So the section might be a text or HTML section, might be an image, might be a button, might be a separator, kind of like what you would see in a MailChimp or a Constant Contact. And of course, the system already has, as I'm sure you're aware, all of the open and click tracking that you would expect from an email marketing tool. So we're going to be approaching parity with those tools, and we hope you really enjoy it. That's it for now, so have yourself a lovely morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever time of day it is right now.